So we wish to find the limit of the sequence square root of n squared plus 5n minus n. Since this is not convergent, so gawa tayo ng paraan para maging convergent ito. Note that if we multiply the conjugate, so we have square root of n squared plus 5n plus n over the square root of n squared plus 5n plus n, we will get the limit of n squared plus 5n minus n squared divided by the square root of n squared plus 5n plus n. So, pwede nating i-cancel ito, which leaves limit of 5n over the square root of n squared plus 5n plus n. Again, this is not convergent. Pero kung magmumultiply tayo ng 1 over n, this becomes now the limit of 5 over n divided by so this becomes now the limit of 5n over n divided by n squared plus 5n all over n plus n over n, which is equal to the limit of 5 over, ipasok natin ngayon yung n sa loob, this becomes square root of n squared plus 5n over n squared plus 1. Then, we have the limit of 5 over, pwede natin actually gawing 1 plus 5 over n plus 1. Since convergent na silang lahat, so pwede na nating gamitin yung quotient and sum the limit of 5 over the limit of the square root of 1 plus 5 over n plus 1. And then, ipasok lang natin yung limit. We have the limit of 5 over the square root of the limit of 1 plus the limit of 5 over n. Oh my gosh! Nahulog ang... Ano ba yan? Ayan. Ba't ayaw na niya? Yan. Carry na ba? Plus. Yan. Nag-surrender na din. Plus the limit of 1. Okay? So this gives now 5 over the square root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. So we now have 5 over 2. Therefore, the limit of this now is equal to 5 halves.